Okay, fugacity sa chemistry. So, yung fugacity daw is yung escape tendency ng isang substance to a certain phase, whether it's a liquid, solid, or gas. And fugacity is a deviation or nagde-deviate yung certain, yung mga gases sa ideal gas qualities. So, ibig sabihin, hindi applicable doon yung ideal gas law. Especially on low pressures and high temperatures. So, yun pala ang meaning ng fugacity na yan. Kasi alam natin yung fugacity nawawala. So, yung pala yun. May scientific meaning pala kasi galing sa chemistry. So, yun yung nature ng gas, yun yung nature ng isang bagay na tumatakas ka, lalo yung mga nagdi-deviate ka, lalo na sa gases. So, yun lang po.